Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Dub app where you basically copy trade anyone, and I recently decided to try it out. I was intrigued by the idea of being able to mirror successful investors. Okay, especially as someone who's always looking out for ways to simplify investing, the concept of Instagram for investing sounded appealing. And here's my honest take after spending some time with it. I'll give you the pros, I'll give you the cons as well. First of all, the pro. So the concept itself and accessibility, which is the idea of copy trading, it's fantastic, especially for beginners, and if you are someone with limited time for in-depth research. Okay, it allows you to follow strategies from insiders and even public figures. The app itself is it's visually polished, as you can see right here. It has a modern, clean design. It's easy on the eyes. It gives you a professional first impression, which is important for a financial app. And it actually has a low investment, minimum investment, so you can start with as little as $100, and it's a great entry point. It makes it approachable for a wider range of users who might be hesitant to commit larger sums initially. Now I'll give you the main cons. These are deal breakers for me. So first of all, there's a trade execution lag. So despite the promise of real-time mirroring, I actually noticed a noticeable delay in trade execution. In volatile markets, even a slight lag can impact your returns. It leads to less than ideal entry or exit points compared to the original trader. For example, a very popular one would be Nancy Pelosi, that one right there. So when by the time they release the public, records, it's too late. Okay, and there's also a lack of portfolio transparency. So, for example, these are portfolios right here, and once you copy a portfolio, getting a detailed breakdown of individual stock performance within that portfolio, it's surprisingly difficult. All you see is overall gains or losses, but not granular data on which specific stocks are driving those numbers. This makes it hard to understand the underlying strategy. And by the way, there's actually hidden fees. While the app might seem free or cheap with premium, there are brokerage trade fees in the background that are not always transparent. These can eat into your gains, especially if you're investing smaller amounts or if you're copying frequently traded portfolios. And there's also limited risk guidance, and there's a subscription model as well, because while there is a free trial right here, you can click on experience it now, the functionality, it's significantly locked behind a paid premium subscription. This is not always clear up front. You need to find out about it later on, but it feels a bit restrictive if you're just trying to explore the app's full capabilities. So just keep that in mind when you're making a decision. And if you found this review helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.